Most people try to fix AI writing after Claude has already written it. That's the mistake. You probably know what AI writing sounds like. It's polished, structured, and grammatically perfect, but it feels fake. You keep seeing the same phrases like, it's important to note, ultimately, or in today's fast paced world. Most people respond by typing, humanize this. Don't. Claude has no idea what human means to you, so it just swaps a few words while keeping the same robotic structure. The better approach is to stop the AI from writing that way in the first place. Here's how. Use ChatGPT Deep Research and ask it to find common AI writing patterns, words, phrases, and sentence structures. Put everything into a Google Doc with sections like AI words, robotic sentence patterns, weak intros, and overused phrases. Download it as a markdown file and name it anti-ai-writing.md. In Claude, upload the file and end your prompt with, write the response without using any words, tone, structure, or writing patterns listed in this file. Compare the new version to the original. It should sound much more natural because Claude now knows what to avoid. To make it permanent, create a Claude skill called anti-AI writing, upload the .md file, and add these instructions. Avoid AI words. Avoid robotic sentence rhythm. Avoid fake professional tone. Keep it conversational. Remove filler. Check every response against the anti-AI writing file before finishing. Now you don't have to upload the file every time, and Claude will automatically write in a more natural style.